In this video we're going to show you how to book appointments using an NHS app. So first of all, once you've signed in, you'll be on the main screen, which will look like this. At the bottom you can see there's a list of options, so we want to tap on appointments. We've got three options: GP surgery appointments, additional GP services, and hospital and other appointments. If you tap on hospital other appointments, this is if you've had a referral to see a specialist or a consultant from your GP surgery. If it's the first appointment, you can book or cancel your referral appointment. So that means you can, in terms of booking, if you've been given an appointment, you can change that appointment if it's not convenient for you, or you can always cancel it as well. We'll tap on the back. The other option is the additional GP services. So this is where you can get sick notes or fit notes and any GP letters from your GP surgery. This basically is the e-consult service through your NHS app. And if you just tap that box, and that will use your name, date of birth and NHS number. When you're doing the e-consult form, it will take you to that part of the e-consult form that allows you to request sick notes and any other GP letters that you may require. And the main one we're going to be looking at today is the GP surgery appointments. This is where you can book an appointment with your GP or a nurse with your surgery. So if you just tap anywhere in there, if it's the first time that you've used this service, you will get this message. So it just needs to connect your NHS app with your GP surgery. So just tap where it says connect to GP surgery, and it will check your details. On this page you'll be able to see any past appointments that you've had. There won't be any details regarding that appointment. It will just have the date, time, location and who the appointment was with. If you want to book an appointment, here where it says book an appointment in the green bar, so just tap on that. And this is where we have a few fields to fill in. First of all, you need to select the type of appointment that you will need, so tap in the box. So at the moment we've got the flu vaccinations, if you need a blood test with the clinic, or pre-bookable telephone appointment with your GP. So for this one we'll choose blood test. Location, that will be your GP surgery, so that'll be written in there. So the practice member, so if it's a nurse or GP, if there's a particular person that you would like to see, you can tap on that box and it will give you all the GPs and nurses that are registered at your practice, and you can choose one. And the next, it starts off with the filter available appointment, so it starts with 16 weeks. So this will give you the best chance of finding an appointment. You can choose anywhere today, tomorrow, this week, next week, and then 8 weeks or 16 weeks. For an example, if you tap on today, there's very little chance there'll be any appointments available. The same with tomorrow. This week, next week, and we can see we've got some available appointments. To choose one, first of all you need to select the date and the date, and it'll tell you how many appointments are available on those days. So we choose the first available by tapping on it, and then the 7 available appointments will have a time slot. So hopefully there'll be a time slot that's convenient for yourself. You go ahead and choose one of those by just tapping anywhere in the box. And this is where you'll confirm your GP appointment. So here I have the appointment type, and it will also tell you who that session is booked with. And you'll need to give a quick reason for this appointment. So you've only got 150 characters, so you just need to put something brief in there. Once you've done that, you just need to tap confirm and book appointment. And that will confirm your GP appointment has been booked. You'll have the details on there. To go back to the main screen, in the top left corner you can see where it says home. So you tap home. And then what we can do, if we want to see that appointment's been booked, at the bottom where we tapped on appointments before, we tap on that again, tap on GP surgery appointments, and here it says upcoming appointments, so we can see that that's been booked in. If for any reason you needed to change that appointment or cancel it, so just tap where it says cancel this appointment, and then cancel appointment again, which will confirm the cancellation. So just tap the green bar where it says cancel appointment. You can see there your GP appointment has been cancelled. And you can go back to appointments by tapping there where it says blue. That'll take you to the main appointments menu. And then to get back to the main menu, or the home page as it's called, tap in the top left corner where it says home. And that's how to book an appointment with your GP surgery using the NHS app, and also how to cancel an appointment. Thank you for watching.